Today I'm gonna be talking about exactly what Advanced F2L means. So this one we'll talk about very briefly, but the first difference between Advanced F2L and Beginner F2L is cube rotations. With Beginner F2L, once you find your pieces, and then you will pair them up by using the slot here that they go into, so that you don't break up any slot. Then, once you pair up like this, you will insert it into the front like this. With Advanced F2L, there are two differences here. One is that you can use any unsolved slot to pair them up, so that which break up this slot. So this only works if this slot was unsolved. So by keeping track of which slot you have already solved, you can avoid breaking up any ones that you have already done. The next thing is once I pair up these two, I can insert it into the back without having to rotate. If it requires a cube rotation, I might just insert it into the back. The next key difference between the Beginner F2L and Advanced F2L is the process you use to pair up pieces. With Beginner F2L, there's an extra step in the beginning. So if you have a corner up here and an edge in here, if anything is in the slot, then you have to take it out first. So I will take it out like this, and then continue to solve this pair. And then the third step is the D. So Beginner F2L, the worst case is you will have to do 3 steps. Top layer, pair them up, and then insert. With the Advanced F2L, you always keep the step where you insert it, because you must do that, but you can join all the previous steps together. So how it works for this case specifically, you could bring the corner over here before you take out the edge. If you do it, that causes them to already be tied together. So you have to know which way you can take it out so that they pair together. Now the last difference between Beginner and Advanced. So with Beginner F2L, even if the pieces are both on top, if they are touching each other like this, then you have to split them up first. So that's an extra step, splitting them up before you go into how you normally pair them, followed by insert it. So for the Advanced F2L, again you do one thing instead of both. Pair them up and then insert it. So I will go over all the cases where they are touching and what to do, because there aren't many of them. So for this case, you move the corner over the edge and just do U prime, and that set them up. For this one, you move the corner up and then you do U2, and they already been paired together. Then you just insert. For this case, it's already back case and it's a bit long, but what you do is insert the corner into the slot like this, put the edge over here, and then take the corner back up. And lastly, for this case, you hide the corner this way, and then move the edge away, and then pair them up. Now going back to the previous point, when you take pieces out of the slot, how do you make sure when you take it out comes out paired with the other piece? So starting off, if white is on the top and you find the edge here, if you put the white sticker on top and they match like this, then you can just take it out and insert it. Now if you put the piece on top and it does not match, Then there are two ways you can pair it up. So first, move the corner away from it so that they are both still on the front, and then insert the corner here like that. Move the edge back over here to the side and then do that again, and that pair stand up. The other option is doing what's called a sledgehammer, and if you don't know what that is, it's a short trigger that goes like this: R prime, F, R, F prime, and that's pair stand up. Now instead of the white stickers on the side, then again put it on top to see what is the relationship is, and you will find either that some sticker match or no sticker match. So starting with the case where the stickers do match, what you do is, like if you are facing this, you turn stickers so you can still see it. Do not do it like that because you can see it. Turn it like this and then push the corner behind the corner like this, and then get them paired together. Now if you have to push it the other way, that is by pushing the edge behind the corner as well, except go a little further, and then that also pairs them up. Lastly, the case is where if you put the corner on top of the edge, the color here don't match. Again, you will have a few ways to do this. One is to again put the corner over here behind it and then move the edge the other way instead, and that pairs them up. And there are one more way you can do it, and that's by moving the corner here, move the edge over here, and that pairs them up. Now what if you have a corner in a slot and the edge is on top? So what we do is compare the front color of the corner here with the color of the edge. Now if they match, then what you do is face the white sticker and put the edge on the side like this, and then take it up the corner, push towards the edge, and then come back down. Now if the color on the corner does not match the top here, then you push the edge over here, or you don't face the white, and then take the corner up the other way, then move away from the edge, and now they are paired together. Lastly, if white faces the bottom, here then find the side color of the edge instead and match it to the side color, and then move the edge away from the corner and then bring the corner up like this. Now if it's in this case, you put it on the other side so that they do match. Do the same thing, so move the edge away and move the corner up like this, and that's pairs them up. So that's it for Advanced F2L. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.